What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here, and today we're going to talk about NIO and a bunch of other small cap growth companies. If you look at small to mid cap growth tech companies over the past couple of weeks, it has not been pretty. I personally am not somebody who is invested in any of these. However, I do sell puts on them from time to time simply because the premiums that you can grab on them are absolutely insane. And so what I want to do is look at NIO, look at where I think this is going. I did that on my second channel, Traders Helping Traders, so go check that out, as well as go over different companies like Bngo, Nikola, which is up pretty big today, Plug, Blink, basically any of these small cap growth companies that have been up hundreds, if not thousands of % in the past couple of months. And where do I see them going in the next couple of trading sessions? And do I think they'll recover? Now, remember, this is not going to be really a super deep dive fundamental analysis of all of these companies. I'm just simply not going to have the time to do it. But I kind of want to go over where are some key price levels for every single one of these, since a lot of you guys and girls who are investing or trading on this channel tend to keep an eye on them. So hit the like button, subscribe. Let's get started. So taking a look at NIO. NIO is the first one. The stock hit $67. I'm sorry, $67 at one point before selling off all the way down to $35. NIO started the year right around $3. Now, one thing I will say about NIO is fundamentally things have changed from back when it looked like they were going to go bankrupt during the peak of the Rona. Things certainly have changed. However, the stock definitely became a meme for a bit when it got wrapped up in this massive pump. And I think that right around $35, you're still overpaying for this long term. However, I do believe in the company and I do really like the company. For me, though, I would be buying this at 25 bucks. But from a short-term perspective, there's been a ton of calls coming in for the past couple of days for NIO running into earnings. And earnings is going to be coming up in just about a week, so the 29th of April, which is going to be actually 1 week from today. And with the amount of call volume that's coming in, with the setup that we have here, and with overall the good deliveries that they've put out not too long ago, I think NIO is going to do really well at earnings, probably push up to $45, potentially $52. However, if not, and we break 35, I would be expecting 30 bucks. So overall, I like NIO. I think within the next week or two, NIO is going to do really well. Now, the next one is Plug. Plug is another one of those companies, Plug Power, ticker symbol Plug, that has gotten beaten up very, very, very badly. Most recently broke 200-day SMA, and we did have a good day yesterday and today. Stock was up from lows to high yesterday about 14%, tapping the 200-day SMA today before getting rejected and slowly looking like it's going to make its way down. Plug as well has earnings coming up pretty soon on May 6th, which I believe is like a Thursday of not next week, but the week after. There's a ton of resistance pressure here on Plug from a technical level. You have point of control, which is right here, this red line on your volume profile. I'm going to make a volume profile on this channel, potentially on the second channel since it's based more around trading, but volume profile is a very strong indicator. We have point of control there, which is going to act as a resistance. We have the 200-day SMA, which is going to act as a resistance, and you saw it reject there today. You have the 15-day EMA, which is going to act as a resistance, and our Fibonacci, which is going to act as a resistance. So if we want to make this move back up, we need to Plug to sit up over $30, hold over $30, get some good volume, and then we could make our way back up to 40. However, for me, I don't see Plug getting back up into the 70s for a very, very, very long time, if that even happens. But I don't see that happening for a very long time. I'm not saying it's not happening, but I don't see it. If you're looking for a short move, looking like Plug could move up to 40 if we get over that major resistance. If earnings are trash, it's probably going to move down to 19 and then down to 8. Taking a look at Blink, I like Blink a lot more. Blink, I think, fundamentally has a ton of value, definitely overpriced still, and I wouldn't be surprised if Blink fell down to 26 bucks. That's kind of where I think fair value is, and if it was at 26, I'd probably be buying it. Right now, you can see that we are holding the support of $33.50. I've been holding it for multiple sessions and bounced here multiple times over the past couple of weeks, but we do have this big bear flag. So this is where you see we have this big drop down, this big flag here, and personally I think Blink is going to end up down at $26 to $25, and I think that'll be a really good time to enter. However, if we can get up over the 50, if we can get up over the 100, which are these two lines here, and up over the 38.2% fib, we definitely could see this breakout back up to 50 bucks, but it's not looking too hot. Let's look at BNGO. BNGO is another one, big descending wedge, which normally is a good sign. We had this big push up, and a lot of people are like, oh, BNGO is up 34% in the past couple of days. Yeah, but BNGO is still down 62% in the past couple of months. And yeah, over the past year, even dying as much as it has, it's still up 1,400% 100 days. So remember, just because a stock has taken a 63% haircut from highs, it's still up thousands of a percent now. So it's not like it has to bounce. Remember that. Nothing has to bounce. We do have a good support here at $5. So there is a good chance that if BNGO can get up over 7, hold over 7, we could see a pushback up to 8. But I think that there is a much higher probability that BNGO will dump back down to $4 before bouncing. If it hits $4, I don't think that's really a bad move to be entering there, and we would fill that gap down here. So overall, I think BNGO will probably hit $4 unless we get like a massive bounce here. Taking a look at CCIV, another stock, good descending wedge, same setup as BNGO. I think CCIV has a much better chance to bounce because it has fallen a lot more. However, if we break $17, it's probably going to make its way back down to 13. We break 13, we're going to definitely move very quickly through this thin volume profile back down to 10. However, if CCIV can get up over 22, hold over 22, we should see a big push up to $28. If we take a look at Palantir, which is another one, massive squeeze, massive descending wedge, holding up over 22. I think Palantir is going to bounce here at earnings. I do. We've held 22, very strong multiple times, big squeeze. I think we'll see Palantir up at 27, 28, potentially back up to 30 much sooner than we'll see it down at $10. Now, the thing I hate from them is fundamentally they've been around for 20 something years. They still have never turned a profit. So that does worry me. But from a technical standpoint value, from a fair market value, I do think that probably going to see a bounce coming up pretty soon. If I forgot any, I know there's things like Fubo, Nikola, SPCE. If you guys want me to look over those for you, I can do that in another video tomorrow. So comment down below any of them that you want me to look over. I don't want to turn this channel into me looking at a bunch of stocks from a technical standpoint because that's what my second channel, Traders Helping Traders, is for. But we have a lot of these companies that are moving up and a lot of people who are asking me about them. So I want to make sure that I'm kind of covering all angles here. And yeah, guys, thank you for all the support. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to be a part of my private academy, get access to every trade I take live as soon as I take it, live stream with me and my team every single morning for the first hour of market open, get access to our 60-hour course library. Use the code free trial. Use the link in the description, 100% free for your first month. Go follow me on Twitter, guys, Peter DeCarlo. I post all my trades there after I've taken them. Sometimes I do free trades, trade recaps. And if you guys have any ideas for any content, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to do that. This channel is 100% for you guys, and I would like to cater the content around you guys more to give you of what you want. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.